Hi, good morning everybody. Today topic is yoga. In that we are going to learn Surya Namaskar. Let's begin our session with word of prayer.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Introduction about Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is an ancient technique of paying respects to the sun, which consists of 12 different postures. It is a form of expressing gratitude to the source of all life on earth. Now, let us see science behind the Surya Namaskar. It is essential to understand the science behind this ancient technique. This will help you to approach this powerful yoga practice with the right outlook. For instance, the solar plexus that is located behind the navel is connected to the sun. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar enhances the size of the solar plexus. This in turn increases your creativity, decision making, confidence, and leadership skills. This is why the practice of Surya Namaskar is highly recommended. Next, we will see what are the benefits of Surya Namaskar or sun salutation. It helps you to keep disease free and healthy. Regular practice promotes balance in the body, improves blood circulation, it strengthens your heart, it tones your digestive tract, stimulates abdominal muscles, respiratory system, lymphatic system, spinal nerves, and other internal organs, tones the spine, neck, shoulder, arms, wrist, back, and leg muscles, thereby overall flexibility. So far, we have seen introduction, benefits, and science behind the Surya Namaskar. It's time for practice. Get ready with your yoga mat and follow me in the video with instruction given. Step 1, Pranamasana. Stand at the end of your mat. Keep your feet together. Breathe in and lift your arms up. Breathe out and bring your palms together in prayer position in front of your chest. Step 2, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in and lift your arms up. Make sure that your biceps are close to ears. Now stretch back your whole body starting from the heels to fingertips. Step 3, Hasta Padasana. Breathing out and bend forward from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Breathe out and completely bring your hands down to the floor. Step 4, Asva Sanchalasana. Breathe in and push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Step 5, Parvatasana. Breathe in Push your left leg back, join with right leg, and lift your tailbone up to create an mountain pose. Step 6. Astanga Namaskar. Gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then breathe out. Slightly take your hips back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the ground. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise your chest up into the Cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Slowly look up. Step 8. Parvatasana. Breathe out and lift your hips as well as your tailbone up. Put your chest downwards to create a mounted pose. Step 9. Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Press your hips down, then look up. Step 10. Hastapadasana. Breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palms on the ground. You can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Step 11. Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backwards a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Step 12. Tadasana. Breathe out and first straighten your body. Bring your arms down. We have completed the first cycle of Surya Namaskar with right leg pushing backward in Asvasanchalasana, which is step 4. Next, repeat the cycle with left leg pushing backward in same asana. For the finishing, lie down and relax your entire body on your yoga mat. Finally, your body needs sufficient time to get effects of Surya Namaskar. It can bring enough rest for the mind and body. Thank you. Let's finish our yoga session with prayer song.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः